After a whole year apart, this cheetah finally reunited with its human mom and just couldn't stop cuddling her.
We relocated out at some point here.
For this man and his bear, the greatest joy was finally being together again after nearly a month apart. Nothing makes this dog happier than running back into the arms of his soldier. The man feared his lioness had forgotten him after 3 years in the wild, but she leapt into his arms with a hug he'll never forget. Not only do dogs know how to welcome their owners home, this deer does it even sweeter. If you think hyenas are only fierce, watch this moment. Did his cuteness steal your heart the way he stole his keepers? If you love hyenas, hit subscribe. This hug isn't just about love, it's about complete trust. Do fish have emotions? Years ago, a fisherman rescued this giant catfish from polluted waters. On a recent fishing trip, it recognized him and swam right back to his side.
Sì. Guarda qua il bambino.
Nettamente direi.
Panza e dog.
Sano come un pesce.
Vai. Eccolo che va.
Dopo 5 minuti va via la coda.
Guarda.
Aries, good boy. Yeah. Look at that, good boy.
Only with his best friend does this crocodile turn so gentle and
He's
sweet.
actually let me take T
But don't
down
try
by
this
hand
at home.
before, too. No, sir. But we've done it. Not today. He like lurches forward. No. Don't try to go for me. You be nice. You be calm. Yeah, that's how you get the food.
If you wanted to get more in there, then definitely.
When a leopard keeps licking your head, it's a sign of love and absolute trust.
Сейчас я приду, скажу, где ты был. Встреча долгожданная.
The moment this marmot saw his beloved dad coming home, he clung to his leg and wouldn't let go. He must have missed him so much.
Целуемся. Не ругается, он бы свистел. Он свистел бы, да?
This python has been with her since it was little. That's why after just 2 days apart, it wrapped around her and refused to let go.
Где мой зайка? Где мой зайка? Где мой зайка? Где мой зайка? Ну хорошо.
The best part of coming home after a long day is being greeted by your pet.
Hi, buddy.
Anubis, the African jackal, howls with pure excitement the moment he sees his mom.
Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I heard that you were so worried.
This seal is overjoyed to see the rescuer who saved him a year ago. Just look how excited he is. alarm clock needed. This deer knows exactly when his owner is coming home. Do you know what it means when a wolf kisses you? Comment 1 and I'll tell you. After watching this moment, do you still think fish don't have feelings? The moment they saw their human mom, these kangaroos hopped straight into her arms. Every time he travels, he waits for the moment to come back and see this little guy's reaction. When animals are raised with kindness and love, they grow gentle and love us unconditionally. I bet this turtle is so happy to be with his mom after 2 months apart. After seeing this, do you still hate hyenas?
We haven't seen each other for so long.
A manatee gently hugs her favorite friend, and they both savor the happy moment. This is how the bird reacted when his owner came home after 2 weeks away from work.
You just missed me?
Here's a reunion between a diver and an Asian sheep's head wrasse he once healed. They've been friends for over 25 years. This tiny koala joey is so adorable. When it saw its caretaker, it ran up and climbed into his arms, welcoming him home. Even this little otter is overjoyed to be with his human dad.
Why do you like the earlobes? It's crazy.
She reunited with her green chicken after 3 months apart and couldn't stop ugly crying.
Hello? Are you good boy?
Sometimes a puma is just a big kitty, showing its gentle heart in the sweetest way. If this donkey could talk, I bet it would say how much it misses its friend. When reunited with his human dad, the lion turned into a big baby, craving hugs and tender cuddles.
Oh, is Judah here?
Winston gets so excited whenever Dad and Judah come home.
Oh, are you so excited? You love your Judah? Oh, do you love your Judah?
Even a predator can be gentle when it's with the one it loves. Elephants can't hide their excitement upon seeing their caretaker for the first time in over a year.
Caesar, come on! Come here, Caesar! Come get treats!
I can't decide what's better, the rooster answering his owner like any pet, or that his name is Caesar.
Where's Mama's baby, yes. You want a treat? He's such a good rooster.
Being with his human dad is this bear's happiest time.
Stop.
Dogs are famous for being smart, and they know how to steal our hearts with their cuteness. The big donks love singing too, especially when it's their dad singing. Sometimes all you need after a long, tiring day is a hug or cuddle from your pet. After a 2-week journey, the cat finally returned home because she knew her mom would be waiting. This rooster can't take a step away from his friend, especially when it's the one he loves most. Miss Nicole and Chula the donkey share a long-awaited reunion, showing the special bond humans and animals naturally share. Nothing beats how adorable these toucan cuddles are. A year apart from his dad was too long for this pup. Watch his excitement when they're finally reunited. When this elderly man got sick, his neighbor cared for his cat. Now watch their first meeting after so long apart. True compassion is simply being kind to animals without expecting anything in return. They give us love and trust, and it's our responsibility to protect them. By showing kindness, we make the world safer and warmer for every living being. Hit subscribe for more touching stories.